Imagine slipping on glasses that blend AI, AR, and the real world like never before. Google just teased their Android XR glasses for I/O 2025, and attendees get to demo them live. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this mind-blowing reveal that's got tech fans buzzing. Stick around to see why these glasses could change everything. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and the future of innovation. Google dropped a bombshell at the end of the Android show, teasing Android XR glasses that'll be demoed at I/O 2025 next week on May 20th. These aren't just any smart glasses, they're powered by Android XR, Google's new platform for extended reality. Let's unpack what makes this so exciting. Android XR is Google's answer to Apple's Vision OS, a unified platform for AR and VR devices. These glasses promise lightweight design, AI-driven features via Gemini, and seamless integration with Android apps. Think real-time navigation, instant translations, or even gaming, all projected right in front of your eyes. Here's the big deal. I/O 2025 attendees will get hands-on demos, giving us a first look at what these glasses can do. Google's been tight-lipped, but X-Posts are buzzing about a possible heads-up display like we saw at TED 2025, where they showed a conceptual prototype. Could this be the real deal? Picture this. You're walking through a city and your glasses show directions, translate signs, or even pull up reviews for a cafe, all powered by Google's AI. Unlike bulky VR headsets, these glasses are sleek and practical, designed for everyday use. And with Android XR, developers can create apps for both glasses and headsets, like Project Muhan. Why now? Google's racing to catch up in the XR space, with Samsung already jumping in with their own Android XR glasses. The I/O 2025 demo could set the stage for a 2025 release, shaking up the AR market. This is Google saying, we're not just playing catch-up, we're aiming to lead. These glasses could redefine how we interact with tech, blending the digital and physical worlds like never before. With I/O 2025 just days away, the hype is real, and we can't wait to see what Google's got in store. GadInsider fam, are you hyped for Google's Android XR glasses? What feature do you want most? AR navigation, AI assistance, or something else? Drop it in the comments. And if you love cutting-edge tech, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.